Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can sync two bases together in Airtable, so let's get right into it. As you can see here, I am in one of my bases, and I'm going to be syncing this base with another one. Now, what you need to do is navigate to the view that you want and to the table that you want. It needs to be in a grid view as far as I know, but for example, let's say table 1 and it is empty, but that doesn't matter. We're going to be sharing and syncing this here. You want to click here on share and sync, and then click sync data to another base. Check off allow data to in this view to be synced to other bases, and then just go ahead and click sync this view. It'll open up a new window where you'll need to select a workspace, and you're going to need to select a base with which you want to sync it. I'll choose this one, and as you can see, you can create a sync table that will be kept up to date, or you can copy the data into a new table that you can edit. But let's say just this. Click create new table, and as you can see, it's going to take me into the test base, and as you can see, now that has been synced. Now let's just go ahead and the sync window went away, but it is what it is, I guess. Let me just sync it from here, and you can share a link to this view from here as well, and that should now be synced. Let me just sync it again just to make sure. And as you can see, choose a workspace, choose a base, and create table, click sync. And yeah, once that's done, there we go, sync table settings. I'm not sure why it just closed when I clicked this, but yeah, you can sync it now. And as you can see, it last synced 1 second ago, and this just shows you the settings that you can change. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.